This is our next project, and it's a 250 GPX Kawasaki. Run into a bit of trouble. Started the bike up and it's got a clunking noise in the engine, and it pisses out water from the cylinder head here, and something's wrong. Apparently it was overheated, probably from the previous owner, not the current owner. It was just bought as a cheap bike. In fact, we got two bikes. Anyway, we dumped the oil, and the oil comes out like a cappuccino. So I think this engine's pretty much stuffed. Can be fixed, but I don't want to spend anything on it. So what we have got is a second bike, exactly the same, and what our plan is, we're going to take out this engine here and swap it over. Now I dumped the oil from this one, and the oil that came out of it was pretty good. This is here, so it's fairly clean, so we're happy about that. I didn't try to start that other one, so I reckon first things first, we take out the engine from the old bike, swap the bikes on the stand and start on that. Here's a little update of our GPZ 250 build. We've just installed the rear fender. You can see we've got the exhausts in. All of these have been painted up, greased up. Everything's been done here. Have to get a new battery because that's dead. Now we crank the bike so that we know that it cranks all right. We changed the original engine. It's down there. That one had ran hot and it warped the head and it had water in the oil, so we changed all that. This one here is quite good, so we hope to start up that. We've given it a spray job there. Cleaned out all the radiator. All the front was blocked up with sand and stuff. Must have been off the front wheel. No big deal. Replaced the oil in the forks, primed them all up, they're good to go. Waiting on discs for the front and rear. We've got new bearings arrived for the wheels. I'll install those in the next couple of days. Just about all done. We've just got to fix up a crack in the fairing. It's not a bad one, nothing special. So fix up that, no big deal. Painted all the wheels, look like new. Radiator's all painted. I'll top up that in the next couple of days before we start it. Been through the carby, cleaned all the jets, cleaned it all out. Seems alright, so done all that. The clutch is in, throttle's in, that all works. The brakes, they're all in. The front and rear brake, they're a twin piston setup, and one side's stuck, so I've got to put some air through that and release it, and then I'll take it apart and check out the O-ring and all that, and the same on the front one. Oh no, this one's the back one. One of those sticks, so I've got to address that. No big deal. We'll check all that. So it's all just about all done. We'll probably try to start it in the next couple of days, so I'll let you know how that goes. So that's about all.